Deviled eggs are a popular appetizer, side dish, or even a main course. If you've never had a deviled egg, it's basically a hard-boiled egg that's been shelled, sliced in half lengthwise, with the yolk scooped out. The yolk gets mixed with ingredients like mayonnaise, mustard, vinegar, or even pickle relish. They're topped off with a little sprinkle of paprika. Hey guys, it's Christine, and welcome back to my channel. I'm making today's video in collaboration with Basil Bandwagon Natural Market. Deviled eggs are also referred to as dressed eggs, stuffed eggs, angel eggs, eggs mimosa, and even Russian eggs. How do we make deviled eggs? Let me show you how. First, we're going to place 6 eggs in a single layer in a medium saucepan. We're going to add enough water to cover them by 2 inches. Bring this to a boil, cover, and remove from the heat to let stand for about 12 minutes. Meanwhile, fill a bowl with cold water and ice. When the eggs are finished cooking, we're going to use a mesh strainer to scoop the eggs out and place them in the ice bath. After a couple minutes, we're going to peel the eggs. First, tap each egg on the wide end until it cracks. I like to peel them under cold running water using a small spoon to help remove the shell. Now slice the eggs in half lengthwise. Carefully remove the yolks and place them in a small bowl. And we're going to add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of sweet pickle relish, sea salt and white pepper to taste. Stir well to combine everything. Carefully spoon the egg yolk mixture back into the egg whites. Feel free to use a pastry bag here that's fit with a large star tip to make a fancy shape. Although the pickle relish does make it a little tricky. If you decide to omit the pickle relish, just use a teaspoon of vinegar or lemon juice instead to get that tart flavor. For the finishing touch, sprinkle the filled deviled eggs with a little smoked paprika or regular paprika. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make deviled eggs. Let me know in the comments if you've ever made deviled eggs. If you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Hit the thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe, and be sure to hit the notification bell to find out about new videos when they come out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you the next time. Bye!